homes sold alongside a stable list-to-sold ratio indicates steady market conditions week over week. It's Friday, September 6th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The median days to sell increased slightly, suggesting that while demand is strong, sellers may need to be patient. The Federal Reserve is still predicted to make 4 mortgage rate cuts before the end of this year. Certainly, this would improve the buyer outlook on affordability, but could signal another buying frenzy to drive already higher home prices up further. Inventory fell this week to 1,685 homes for sale, with 93 due on the market soon. Potential inventory falling from last week. 171 homes went under contract, more this week than last, and days until contract falling to 22 days. 148 homes sold this week at 97.1% list to sold ratio and in 27 median days. The rental market shows a slight increase in available inventory at 108 homes for lease, but with stable pricing at $2,100 again this week's report. This suggests a balanced rental market where supply meets demand. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 6th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.